Transparency.
So does transparency work?
Yes, indeed, Madam Chair.
So many would observe that the opposite has actually occurred. Mas maraming magulo, may insidente mula nitong second quarter hanggang sa ngayon. Dati tahimik nga yan, hindi nga natin nababalitaan. Parang mas gumulo eh.
Madam
Tama
Chair.
ba? O hindi? Yes, Senator Ontivero.
Just a quick follow-up, Madam Chair, and the good director, Deputy Director General may also care to comment on it. Ako naman po, it's the first time I'm hearing yung ating mga resource persons discuss about measured or assertive or transparency initiative. Na-appreciate ko po ito kasi usually transparency is mentioned in tandem with end accountability. And ito yung isang kailangan nating masingil talaga sa China. Kasi siya, gawa ng mga ginagawa niya laban sa atin, tayo pang ginagaslight. Yung gagawin niya sa atin, iaakusa pa tayo na tayong gumagawa sa kanya. So there's no accountability she's showing towards us. Kaya just for the record, Madam Chair, na-appreciate ko itong transparency initiative na tinatalakay ng ating resource person sa atin because it is the twin of accountability na siguro isa sa mga prinsipyo ng maayos na pakikipag-ugnayan ng mga kapitbahay sa isa't isa. Salamat, Madam Chair.
Yes, perhaps we allow the director to finish. So sa palagay ninyo, talagang okay itong transparency initiative, nakakatulong. Kahit sa pakiwari ng iba, lumala pa yung mga enkwentro sa West Philippine Sea.
Yes, Madam Chair. It is our belief that this strategy that we're implementing, it helps us a lot. If you noticed, we have able to get the support of the international community because
nalalaman nila
in this method, it is not difficult for us to tell the truth. I believe telling the truth will never be difficult, and we know for a fact that we were able to overcome the narrative of the adversary in the region. So that's why the support of the international community, we were able to get and able to make our stand and fight for our sovereign rights, sovereignty and territory in the area, Madam Chair.
Senator Tolentino, please. Thank you very much, DDG Jerico.
Karugtong po nung sinabi nyo, DDG Jerico, ito yung transparency. Sa kabilang banda po, ano po yung, para ma-educate na rin kami at yung ating mga kababayan nakikinig ngayon, ano naman yung sa kabilang dulo ng transparency? Ano naman yung, huwag mo i-discuss yung kung GSI, ano yung kine-claim naman ng kabila? Pang counterbalance, is there a counter transparency? Ano yun?
To our point, Madam Chair, the counterbalance of the other side, which to us as a country, we believe they do have the excessive claims in the area. That's why we are fighting for our sovereign rights, that we do have the sovereign rights in the West Philippine Sea. And on the other side, why we should believe of their narrative of an excessive claim which doesn't belong to them. That's why we are doing this transparency initiative for the Filipino people to be aware, not to bring disorder or not to bring chaos on the issues. Because as we believe, telling the truth, it will be easy for us, for each and every Filipino, Mr. Chair. Madam Chair.
Madam Chair, with the indulgence of the Majority Leader.
Yes.
Salamat, Madam Chair at Majority Leader. Salamat dun sa tanong ni Majority Leader. Actually, nababalik din tayo dun sa unang agenda nitong hearing. Kasi tingin ko, bahagi nung counterpoint nung transparency initiative ng gobyerno natin ay yung influence operations ng China. Na tuwing may ganitong mga insidente at napansin po ng mga researchers ko, pagkatapos nung ginawa nila sa Ayungin Show laban sa mga Navy personnel natin, dumami, bumuhos yung mga social media operations nila na talagang gusto nilang baliin yung narrative, impluwensyahan yung opinion environment at itampok yung kanilang gaslighting na naman at yung kanilang imaginary version na naman sa mga pangyayari. So I just want to thank the good majority leader, Madam Chair, dun sa kanyang tanong. At salamat kay DDG Erico.
Yes, maraming salamat. Balikan ko na lang yung kwento dahil maraming nagte-text, maraming nagtatanong kasi nga maraming balita. Last Friday, 21 June, E.S. Bersamin said that the NMC would recommend the publication of the RORE schedule. Having first said that this would be subject to the approval of the President, spokesperson of PCG, Tariela, defended the proposal, saying it was not a way of asking permission from China, but merely an announcement to the whole world. Less than 48 hours later, it was reported RORE schedule will not be published. So what is the purpose of publishing the RORE schedule in the first place?
Ma'am, it's merely a recommendation to the President because I think the
Because recommended by ES.
NMC.
NMC.
Because we will treat the RORE as a routine and regular activity. It is a Philippine Navy vessel. We need to rotate and resupply. Those were one of the options that came out, but now that
Member of the NMC?
there are principal members, ma'am.
Yes,
So-
I believe it's executive secretary on board and
Yes, it's a collective
then
body.
Secretary Anyo
Yeah,
and yourself as well.
yes, ma'am.
That being the case, it appears that at first you all agreed. Otherwise,
Ma'am,
no statement would have been
I think
issued.
you'd appreciate, just like committee hearings, committee discussions, the discussions will be privileged, no? In any case,
In any case, you said
In any
it was
case,
a
the-
recommendation of the group at that point in
at
time.
that was a collective decision made. Now, that question now is moot because the president has said that there will be no publication or announcement of any
So
RORE
that's
schedule.
settled.
Yes, ma'am.
It was then reported that the schedule will no longer be published. So has that proposal been rejected outright?
Yes, ma'am.
Even if it's not meant to be interpreted as asking permission from China?
Yes, ma'am. The president has not accepted the recommendation.
Previously, there were statements that 2 days before China would be apprised and so on, even privately or less publicly. Wala nang ganun din
No, ma'am. And insofar as I'm concerned, we never followed that
in the first place.
in that paradigm in the first place.
So, I think that so we set that aside. There's no RORE schedule being published publicly or privately.
No, ma'am.
So, okay. So maliwanag na yun. Ngayon, yung isa pang tinatanong, because there have been questions. In fact, many were urging the postponement of this meeting because bilateral talks were being undertaken, country to country, DFA to DFA. Are there military to military talks, PCG to CCG, DFA to China Foreign Ministry? Just yes or no. You don't need to go into the gory detail.
Yes, Chinese foreign ministry, ma'am, but not regular, case by case. But the BCM
Is
has,
this considered a case that deserves such a meeting?
well, we'll first see yung results of the BCM. If those go well, then we might be in a good position to have a higher level.
The
meeting.
which, sorry,
If the BCM discussions go well, halimbawa, there's a
VCM, sorry.
the bilateral consultation mechanism
Okay,
for the
BCM.
South China Sea. Kung if the results meeting goes well, we
What
might.
would you consider goes well?
Well, if there's some agreements reached on certain
Okay.
issues, there are many issues being considered, not
But
just.
until then,
We'll like to wait and see, and then if the conditions are
and then
right,
you go up to the
then we can go
DFA.
up to a higher
No,
level.
It's just a matter of great
Oh.
reassurance to all of us that you're talking.
Oh yes, we have
That's all.
regular lines of communication. In fact, I have.
So you're
Oh.
you're actually awaiting the this bilateral
I would
consultative
like
meeting.
to. I would like to wait first to see what happens before we do anything.
So you're waiting. Okay, but there's no high level ministry to ministry discussion.
Not planned yet. this year.
Is there any DND or
No, ma'am.
AFP?
No, we defer to the DFA.
So
ma'am.
there's no military to military
No, ma'am.
discussion at all?
I have not
When's the
seen it.
last time you conducted such?
None, ma'am, during my time.
Never.
Never, ma'am.
Okay.
Only
Is there
a
an
visit.
instruction to do so at any point in time?
No, ma'am, until some fundamental fundamental processes have been settled where no recriminations.
prudent to simply talk to them